We got 10 to 15 mile an hour southeast wind. Same thing as yesterday, a bunch of family groups out front. I think we got 3 dozen full bodies, and then we're gonna have about 2 dozen dive bombs behind us. There's roosts everywhere around here. There's a lot of birds in the area. There's probably 150 in here last night. It's been steady like that for a few weeks. There's been a lot of feeds to the south of here. They got hunted yesterday, so the birds are getting all pushed around, so it could be another good morning. But yeah, the main group of the birds that we're gonna be chasing, they're coming from the north, a few miles up, so we're set up. We won't have the sun in our face today, so that'll be nice, and the hide should look pretty good. We got pretty mixed field with green and wheat, so the blind will blend in real good. We got 2 A-frames that we're hunting out of today, so hopefully it'll produce.
Game fish, baby. Good, man.
Good job, guys.
Hell yeah.
Nice job.
They are crawling today.
Bring the whole group. Should we just try and land them too? Shoot your lines forward.
Let's go.
We got another group way out there.
Oh yeah, coming right down the blind right here.
Oh, we got a 3-pack right here. Yeah.
Then we're gonna have to go get that single running away.
Shoot them all.
Sorry.
Hey, right up front. Good one over here.
Go get him.
Back down that other group.
Another group. We got Reed's going out.
Yeah, hold up, let me shoot that one.
You are elite.
There you go.
Pattern master, boys.
You got some on the right.
Fly straight up over.
Keep your heads down at the end here. Yep, keep your heads down. Probably not.
That hill. Up on the hill.
I definitely picked 2 birds that somebody else is shooting at too.
Yeah, everyone picked the same one. I was way behind mine. There's a green head and
Still got
up. Shoot him. Night, night. Hey, right there, right there. To your right. Night, night. What?
Yeah, we should have left the
They swing across.
Just swing across.
We could also shoot them off the back too.
Just let him go.
Get him! Coming or going?
Where they at? I don't think they're doing it. They're going.
Yeah, they're going.
Shoot the pitch.
It's kind of been slowing down here in the past, I don't know, half an hour or so. But we got quite a few in the blind here. Been a pretty good day so far overall.
On 2 days, 55 in 2 days, 126.
So we just finished up our hunt today. We shot 52, and I think we got a couple to pick up just over there. Kind of the same setup as yesterday, 2 A-frames, wheat field. About 4 to 5 dozen decoys is all we really ran. We were aggressive on the calls today compared to yesterday. It seemed like they liked that more. Wind helped us get the birds down, line them up. They lined up really good today. And yeah, couldn't really ask for a better hunt today. It was really good.